Hey guys, it's Mads. Welcome to my channel, and for those of you who have subscribed, welcome back. And for those of you who haven't, now's a really good time to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so you can get notifications on when I post my next video. And I don't know if anybody noticed, but I missed last week just because I wanted to spend some more time with my family and I felt like I was kind of removing myself. Anyways, so today I'm going to be showing you 10 different looks, and it's going to be 10 different ways to wear scarves or bandanas in your hair. Right now I know that bandanas are super popular. I think it's super cute and flirty and kind of retro. This is not a mimosa, but I wish it was. I drink it in a glass like this because it's fancy. I really don't know why. I just feel like it makes me feel nice. But no, there's no alcohol in this. Yet. Just kidding, not today. The other day I had a mimosa. Anyway, let's continue on to the video. Are you ready? Let's go. So the first one is super easy. All you're gonna do is separate your bangs. You don't have to separate your bangs. It also looks magnificent with it pulled all the way back. Put her, oh my god, on thy head. Tie it underneath. That's one. Position her, and we're gonna do it where it's like straight across the forehead. And I personally don't like this little flappy thing for this look, so you would tuck it under. So I kind of look like a pirate, but I like it. I think it's giving me 90s vibes, and I'm all about the 90s. And then maybe if you're like not loving where it's positioned, like me, I would just like move it up a little bit on the forehead. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hair into a bun to get you like a hair tie or whatever you want to stick your hair up with. And you can do this with like all of your hair. I just like to leave my bangs down because I feel like it kind of gives it a more relaxed and sexy look. Have her folded in half like so. What I'm going to do is take it behind my head like this, and then we're going to pull it up and around. Two times. Take this, tuck it in the back like so. I just tucked it into my hair tie. I'm gonna pull these parts so they're like wide. Ah, that hurts so bad. Yeah, that's this look. Going to wrap from the front and tie on the bottom, if I can do it. I'm going to go around top. I feel like this also secures your ponytail really well. Tie her once. And voila, it's a look. Okay, so for this next time, we're going to start off by making a low bun. I'm going to take this guy and tuck him into my hair tie. This is great if you got your hair done and it looks awful and you don't want anybody seeing it, but you still want to look cute. And you look like a 60s model. Alright, next I'm going to show you how to make a fun little headband. Even them out. Make an X. And then do it again. Cross your two pieces. Reach underneath and you will just tie a little knot.
We were best friends. I mean, I knew everything about this girl. I knew her favorite color. I knew her favorite
And you got you a cute little headband. How cute! Alright guys, I'm off center. So for this next one, I went ahead and put my hair in a cute little slicked back bun. Put it in the back, make sure it's even, twist it once, go around the back, twist it again, and go to the front. We're going to loosen it a bit because I don't want these parts super long. Little sassy bun. That would look much better with like maybe like a black dress. You could wear this one going out to dinner if it's a really hot night, keeps your hair out of your face. It's chic, it makes it look like supermodel because you're pulling your hair back so slick that it is giving you a facelift. But that is this one. And I happen to love it. I will probably wear this with a look. And oh, I love it. I feel like Bella Hadid. I don't look like her, but I feel like her. So my camera just died, so I switched over to using my phone camera. That is why this part looks different, and the next part. Got you some pigtails. And we're gonna do a braid. And you have a super cute look. I like how they're longer. I think it looks really cute. So for this last look, yes, I did change my top because the other one was not going with my vibe. And we are going to put some mousse in our hair, and I used Pure Zero. I just started using this product. I really love it. So good for the environment, and it's for natural hair care. So we're going to take a little bit in the front. We like her sleeked back, baby. I feel like this is going to be a really good look for if you're going on a date. I'm not going on a date, but I'm going out and it's hot as hell outside, so I need my hair out of my face, but this is gonna be really cute. Take your bandana. Okay, and then we're gonna make sure she is out of the way. So we're gonna take a little clippity clipperoo. Now we're going to braid once again. And I'm gonna be running out of elastics because whatever I do with them, I have no freaking idea. I throw them on the ground, I find them in my bed, I find them in the bathroom, my sister steals them. It's a whole mess. Y'all, this is the tricky part. For me anyway, because I'm gonna be doing this without looking. So, you're gonna take her, you're going to twist her around because we're going to make this a bun. Take this bad boy, leave her there. She ain't going nowhere. Get some bobby pins and start pinning her down. Just gonna tie it. Since I am kind of a nervous wreck when it comes to wearing my hair up, I'm going to go in and put a bunch more bobby pins in just to make sure she stays in. Alright guys, that's it. And at this point I'm not sure if I did 10 or more hairstyles or less. But I'm ready to go because I've spent so much time doing this video and I just want to go and eat some food and drink some coffee and go out with my mom. And by the way, meet Butters. She's like, stop. Where's my butts? This is my butts. This is my butts. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you got something from it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Later.